Well, they weren't lying. The bags are coming in bags now instead of boxes. What am I talking about? Stay tuned and find out. Hi YouTube, Autumn Beckman here. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. My channel is all about luxury living on a budget, from high-end luxury handbags to the everyday luxuries of life. If that sounds interesting to you, please subscribe, click the bell notification icon to be notified when I post new videos, and be sure to like the videos that you enjoy. Well, I have an unboxing here. This is from HandbagCrave. If you've been following the saga here, or if you've watched many of these videos on my channel, you'll know that since COVID happened, shipping all over the place is just taking a lot longer than it usually does. And the shipping from HandbagCrave was coming to China to the US, where I am anyway, and it was taking close to 2 months. So they have recently transferred shipping to the UK, where their offices are based, and they're also planning to move some shipping to the US to cut down on the shipping times, because who knows how long this is going to last, right? And to save costs, since they're shipping from the UK, they are shipping in bags now instead of boxes, which is understandable because I'm sure the shipping cost would be much higher. I can say this is the first one I've received in a bag. I can say that it feels like it has padding, like bubble wrap inside, so it's not just thrown into a bag carelessly. Let's go ahead and open this up and see what it is. I already know what it is, but you don't. Oh, mine got a little ripped here, but I don't. Well, let's see. Something sliced it, and it sliced through the bubble wrap. Oh, and I'll also say that this one took about a month to arrive. I think they're supposed to start arriving faster than that. We'll find out. I had placed an order maybe a week ago for a bag from HandbagCrave, and it just shipped today. I'm filming this on Monday, so we'll see how long that one takes. Hopefully it'll be faster. But I did get an email over the weekend that said something like it was apologizing for it taking so long to ship because they were just moving the shipping to the UK. So there was a little delay in that part of the process. But I think once everything is in the UK, things should be shipping faster and being received faster. That's my understanding anyway. All right, so inside that bag, which is a fairly thick bag as they go, it is packaged quite well in bubble wrap, and inside there it's packaged in a plastic bag. And I can tell, because it was shipped in a bag, that the handles are squished, but I should be able to get those standing up and being fine. I keep having subscribers tell me that a good way to do that is to hang the bag from a doorknob. And inside the plastic bag there's a little foam. I don't know if that's a bag, or it looks like a bag, or it's just wrapped. I think it's a bag. And then there's also cardboard on each side of the bag. It really is quite well wrapped. Now is the big reveal. Can you tell what it is already? I bet you can. It is it's kind of smushed, but I think I can fix that too. It is the Tilda from HandbagCrave, a dupe of the Garden Party Taupe from Hermes. And this one is in the leather and canvas. Has some air paper inside, and also the little pony and twillies. Another surprise inside that I will reveal in a minute, but let's work on the shape here. I'm gonna snap the sides together. It was just the one side that was kind of bent and smushed. This other side looks fine. I'm gonna snap those ends together, because that's how this bag usually is. And there we go. Let me give you a better spin. So again, it's called the Tilda, and that is the canvas and leather version. There's also a full leather version that's also called the Tilda. Oh, and of course, I always forget to say this right up front. With any of your HandbagCrave purchases, use code AUTUMN10 to get 10% off, so you don't have to pay full price. Isn't that nice? Yeah, the handles are leaning a little that way, but that is not a big deal. I've been able to straighten those out before. Let me get the plastic off the handles. I've purchased a few canvas and leather bags lately, and I'm really enjoying them. You haven't seen all of them yet. Someday all will be revealed. Oh, there are 2 surprises inside. Plastic is off the handle, so let's do a little spin here. There's one side. Can't really say front or back because both sides are the same. The other side, this does have silver hardware. I think all of their Tilda bags have silver hardware. The bottom, no feet. The top So you have the two handles, you have the leather straps that go all the way around, canvas body, you have the leather trim on the top, and diagonally behind one of the straps here you have a little D-ring for a shoulder strap. On the sides, of course, you have the snap that's in silver, so if you wanted to, you could open the bag up all the way like this. Let me see if I can get a good close-up of the canvas there. So you can see it's actually two colors that are woven together. And then when you open the bag, there's a little surprise inside. You take that out and we'll look at that in a minute. But just to see the interior, it is just one big open space with a zipped pocket on the back. And that pocket is lined in the same material as the inside of the bag, which is sort of a herringbone print. I tend to prefer to carry this style of bag unsnapped because it's more spacious that way. This is, by the way, the 30 centimeter size. I'm thinking maybe I should get a 35 centimeter because when you do snap it, you lose a lot of space. I mean, you really, because of this top opening here, you're not going to be able to hold as much. And I'll do a wet fit soon. I'm actually going to compare this bag with this bag. They are both 30 centimeter size. So I'll do a bag comparison and a wet fits comparison soon. And then I also have this full leather garden party style bag. And I think which one you get just depends on your preference as far as the look of it and also how you plan to use it. Because this is canvas, I'd be more careful with it. It's raw canvas, it's not coated, so it could stain more easily, whereas the leather would be wipeable. The insides of the bag are the same. Everything else about them is the same other than the materials. So let's look at the little pouch here. It's so nice that it comes with it, and this gives you a better look at the herringbone print inside the bag. Silver hardware, and then inside that zip is a strap. This is not the strap that was on the website though. I'll put a picture up here of the strap that was on the website, not at all the same strap. So I'm gonna get in touch with them and see what they say about that, because that's not good. If you order something, you wanna make sure that you know what you're gonna get. But let me unwrap this strap and show it to you. I was really looking forward to that bigger guitar style strap. Wonder what happened. If I remember correctly, the Hermes Garden Party does not have a shoulder strap. Like with the Birkin dupes, this is an advantage that the dupes have over the original bag. Right here it is hanging from the strap there. That looks really nice. I don't know, I was looking forward to the guitar strap. However, I think this looks classier, to be honest. I think you could wear this with more things because the images online that have the guitar strap, and they have about 5 different colors in this bag. The straps tend to have a really bright color in the center, and that wouldn't go with every outfit. So you still want to know what you're getting, but it could be nicer for some people. I think a lot of people might prefer this thinner strap. Personal preference, I guess. And this is an adjustable strap. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different settings. I'm 5'3". This is the longest strap, and it does work as a crossbody. You've got the handles sticking up there. They don't fold down, but it works. And that's the longest length shoulder strap wise. That's the top of my hip there. And here's the shortest length for the shoulder strap, top of the hip there. That's a good length too. It does not have a second loop to keep this from curling out. Now I want to point out one other thing that I've noticed about this bag as I've been looking it over here. Probably noticed it too. You see that there. I feel like I saw something somewhere else too, but I think that's the most noticeable spot. It looks like it might be dirt or something, but when you get up close to it, you'll see that it's actually an imperfection in the weaving. So the darker spot is where the darker colored thread is doubled. I don't know enough about the weaving process to really guess what that is, but when the bag is open like this, it's pretty visible. Now luckily that happens to be in a spot where if you close the bag, you snap it, you don't really see it. But again, I like to carry the bags open. Now let me show you another bag I have from HandbagCrave that also has the canvas. Okay, I have this one here. There are the two canvases side by side. They look pretty similar. And let me give you a spin on this one, see if we see any imperfections like that. And I see a couple little spots like that there, but they're really not so noticeable. This one I feel like kind of screams at you. So I'm not sure what happened there. I don't know if that's something that they would do an exchange on. I'm gonna ask them about that and get back to you. But if you don't want to risk that kind of flaw in the canvas, that might be a good reason to go with the leather bag instead. I've never had a problem with the leather from HandbagCrave. quite a few of their bags at this point and plan to order quite a few more. Last thing to show you is my little goodie bag. In here there are 2 twillies, one for each handle, and there's a pony charm. That's how the pony would look on this bag. I'll snap it and show you how that would look too. There's how the pony looks on the snapped bag. And I forgot to show you, as I was pointing out where the leather pieces are, there's also a strip of leather on each side there. I think it's really pretty. I love the leather and canvas combination. Like I said, I've purchased a few bags with that combination lately, and more than just these two. And I think it's so pretty, and I think it can go summer, certainly, spring, fall, winter probably not so much, but it could carry you through most of the year. So I'm really digging that combination. Through the magic of YouTube, I am back. I have since written with my contact at HandbagCrave, and regarding that spot on the canvas where the weaving was a little off and it made it look like there was a stain or something on it, I didn't ask for like a new bag or anything in exchange, because they send those to me for free in exchange for doing the videos for you. But I did ask if that happened to a customer, what would they do? And she said that of course they would work with you. They want to make you guys happy, so they would do what needed to be done for that to happen, whether it's an exchange or offering a discount, whatever it may be. She also said she would let the manufacturer of the canvas know so that they can work on quality control. And I asked her about the strap being different, and she said that she talked to the warehouse where it was shipped from, and I don't know how this happens, but somehow they pulled it from old stock. So you should be getting bags with that thicker guitar strap. I don't know why I was sent that one, I'm not sure, but if a customer was to get that, they would take care of that for you too. Again, discount or maybe an exchange. So that answers the questions, I hope, addresses the concerns that I had, and there you go. Now back to Autumn of the Past. And of course, remember to use code AUTUMN10 for 10% off at HandbagCrave. And remember to look out for my video coming up comparing these two bags, the Tilda and the Erin from HandbagCrave. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Hope to see you back here next time. I hope your family and friends are doing well, and I hope you have a fantastic day. Bye.